big breaking news which is coming in. The Sena Sarkar is now justifying the crackdown in the name of sedition. In fact, they made a big claim in the court saying that there was an attempt to topple the government with the Hanuman Chalisa dare, which was in order to disturb law and order. In fact, they've gone to the extent of saying that it was a bid to disrupt law and order which was completely premeditated. Remember, we saw a first dare coming out by Raj Thackeray saying that if the speakers of mosque are not removed, then Hanuman Chalisa will be chanted. And then you had the two legislator couples, the Rana couple that you can see on your screens, Navneet and her husband, an MP and an MLA. Both of them were arrested for saying that they are going to go to Uddhav Thackeray's residence and chant the Bhagwan Chalisa today. In the midst of it all, in the courtroom today, Uddhav Thackeray's government has said that this dare was made by the Rana couple in order to disrupt law and order. It was premeditated. It was pre-planned to disrupt the law and order situation and to topple the government. Let me go across to Shivani, who's joining us from Mumbai with the very latest. This is a big charge, Shivani, that the state government's leveled. First, it was sedition against the Rana couple, and now it is a bid to topple the Uddhav Sarkar. We'll go back across to Shivani when she's connected, but that's the big breaking news which is coming in. Minute by minute updates from the courtroom. We are going to be coming your way. Shivani will be joining us, but what you can see right now is that the big breaking news we are getting for you, Sena Sarkar has justified the sedition crackdown. Let me go across to Shivani. Shivani, they faced a lot of flack for imposing and locking up two of the legislators under charges of sedition, and now the justification is that they were trying to topple the government. Has the Sena Sarkar given any proof to the courts?
So talking about this particular thing of the charges of sedition on Navneet Rana and Ravi Rana, the government clearly says that we have not imposed those sections because they were demanding to chant Hanuman Chalisa, but they were, instigating people of Shiv Sena, the supporters of Shiv Sena. That's why the law and order got disturbed, and hence that sedition charges have been imposed on them. But as we see that how, in fact, the very same government in the alliance, NCP, Sharad Pawar had asked for 124A to be revoked. And in fact, there's kind of a thought that we need to give on this particular sedition charges and the sections. So now clearly when they were not in the government, they were trying and they were demanding that it should be removed. But now when they are in the power, they are imposing the same sections on the people. Those are going against them. In fact, today also when we asked the public prosecutor that it is the job of the opposition parties to go against, and they can raise their voices against the party in the state in the power, he also said, though that there are sedition charges, those are imposed, and it doesn't matter who has said what and not. But of course, if they will go against Chief Minister, if they will invoke such situation where the law and order can get disturbed, then such sedition charges will be imposed on them. Definitely a two-way thought can be seen from the party in the alliance right now, that when they were not in power, they had a different thought about the sedition charges and sections. But now, when they are in power, they are also simultaneously utilizing it for the people. Those are going against them and raising their voices.
Well, keep trying the developments on that front. We'll keep coming back to you minute by minute updates which are coming in from the courtroom regarding the sedition case slapped against the legislators. Without a short break, don't go anywhere.